Just look at this. And here we are at Nando's. This is the whole look of Nando's. And they are famous for these, these sauces. Well, Nando's branch we have all over in Pakistan as well. And now it's in Dubai. In Dubai also they have branches available. One is in JBR, the other one is in Dera, I believe. So this is...
Hi.
What? What are you saying? Okay. Okay, so there was a sudden change in plan. Now we are going to Barbecue Delight because we were craving for Pakistani food. And the thing is, we have this option and then we have Barbecue Delight. So in Barbecue Delight, there's a lot of buffet, so we can get to taste a lot of Pakistani food. So let's go and explore that. And this is the whole JBR, the beach area, the walk. People say, people name it differently. People name it Jumeirah Beach Residence. People name it as the walk. So it's like that. And then you can see a lot of other options, as in mini booths. They have Cold Stone for ice creams. Also they have Sephora, Bath and Body, Victoria's Secrets, and they have Papa Roti. That's a restaurant, not for shopping. The names which I mentioned, like Victoria's Secret and Bath and Body, Sephora, that's for the shopping. And they have other also options. And I have actually made a different vlog on JBR. So if you have not checked in and if you have not liked, then you must go and watch. And yes, the good thing about JBR is that you will have a lot of options like Sofitel, Movenpick, Hilton Dubai. Like in all these plaza levels where I live, every plaza level has a 5-star, 6-star hotels. I remember I make a vlog with my friend and I couldn't capture the whole inner view and the inside look of this restaurant. So this is the time which I'm going to take you to Barbecue Delight and will give you a close-up look of the buffet and the food and everything. अच्छा JBR इतना बड़ा है कि I cannot cover every time everything, और काफ़ी टाइम शायद मेरे व्लॉग्स में मैंने बहुत सारी जो जगहें वो कवर की भी नहीं है. बट आई ऑलवेज मेक श्योर कि सिंस आई एम नाउ व्लॉगिंग मैं आप लोगों को एटलीस्ट कुछ ना कुछ तो हाईलाइट जरूर दूँ. दिस इज द बारबेक्यू डिलाइट सिग्नेचर ग्रिल्स, curries, and they have this whole menu, and then they have given us simple touch of what happened?
Closed. They are cleaning.
Ah, okay.
1 hour.
We can eat then something else. Wow. ये तो prank हो गया हमारे साथ.
Yeah, I think like.
ये तो हमारे साथ prank हो गया. And now we are going to a different spot for food. Maybe of course Nando's, because that was the one we chose before. फिर हमने सोचा, शायद हमें ना लालच आ गई थी, बिकॉज हमने सोचा कि बुफे पे जाएंगे तो बहुत सारी वैरायटीज होंगी, पर जहाँ रिस्क लिखा है ना इंसान का, अल्लाह को वहीं तक पहुँचाना है. सो लेट्स गो. सो नाउ वी केम बैक टू द प्लेस वेयर इट्स डेस्टिन्ड टू हैव अ फूड. तो अब खाते हैं खाना और बताते हैं कि कैसा जाएगा खाना. वैसे तो नैंडोस का खाना अच्छा ही होता है, बट लेट्स सी. So this is the whole look of Nando's, and they are famous for these, these sauces. And
Welcome.
thank you. And this is their menu. So let's see what we're gonna order.
Chicken wings.
This is the best seller, madam. Tuk soup.
Yeah, we already tried this. I want to try something new.
Tried with the kids.
Yeah. I want to try something like this. Spicy flavors. We will have spicy flavors.
Extra hot.
I'm like, I just look the ambience. I love the ambience of it, and this is really good. And that's the face every time when I'm vlogging outside. Oh God. Do let me know who else is facing these problems with the husband and other people. I wanted to capture that. You can order. I just wanted to capture that. I think there are a lot of people. And finally the food is here. And just look at this. I hope it's nice. It looks very delicious. I cannot. So this is what it is, and let's taste how this